Hello everyone, nice to meet you. This is your advisor Miss A. Today I will introduce you on new H4 model lens filling sealing machine. AFPAK K-cup filling sealing machine is the best choice for mass production of K-cups. We also have new columns, but columns or more for you to choose from. This is a popular machine that can produce up to 9,600到12000 CPH for the mid-size and large-size companies. High accuracy auger filling system can guarantee 0.2 克 accuracy and can fill different materials like coffee granules, chocolate powders, soluble powders, etc. The lens machine, you can apply many more functions like online waiting system, date printer, etc. Welcome to subscribe to our channel and inquire for more details.